Simply pour the alcohol into the toilet paper. To start, choose a container large enough to accommodate the roll of paper, and that can contain the mixture that we will create next. Since I incorporated this practice into my routine, my house acquired a distinctive aroma, similar to that of a luxurious home. Add 200 milliliters of alcohol in a cup with measurements, and once you have it, add a generous tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. The latter acts as a natural deodorant and helps neutralize unpleasant smells. Then add 3 tablespoons of alcohol vinegar to the mixture. It is important to mix these ingredients thoroughly to achieve a homogeneous and powerful combination. This ingenious secret was passed on to me by a domestic employee, and since then I have not stopped applying it. As an additional touch, you can add a little softener to give the mixture a nicer aroma. The softness provided by the softener complements the freshness of the alcohol and the deodorant power of the sodium bicarbonate. Once you have prepared the mixture, pour it over the toilet paper in the container and let the mixture rest for about an hour. During this time, the ingredients will blend together, and the toilet paper will absorb the aromas, transforming into practical perfumed handkerchiefs. Now, these perfumed handkerchiefs can be used to clean your bathroom or toilet, providing not only effective cleaning, but also a pleasant aroma that persists in the environment. This homemade and economical method has become an effective solution to keep a fresh and clean space. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more useful tips like these.